Rain lashes Saurashtra. 3 drowned. Rivers flooded. Saurashtra Express cancelled. Okay. So this is the heading of the report. Okay, which is press report, which you are about to give to newspaper agencies. Okay, which you have read in newspaper agency. Lastly, we completed accident report. Now it is on natural calamity, okay, that is flood. And what is the situation of Saurashtra part, okay, when the heavy rainfall is there. So after rainfall, we have written, that person has written a report on it, that what was the situation during the rain. Okay, heavy rain lashed over Saurashtra, resulting in 7 to 8 inches rainfall in most of the district. Okay, there was rain in most of the district and it was about 7 to 8 inches. Remember, when we are providing information about rainfall, then we have to mention that measurement, okay, that is 7 to 8 inches rainfall. The Shatrunji dam was overflowing yesterday night. 3 people are feared drowned in the Hiran River in the Girs. Mumbai going Saurashtra Express had been cancelled. Okay, when this type of situation occurs, then it is but natural that the express, okay, should be cancelled. Otherwise, the people commuting into buses or in any vehicle have to suffer. Okay, the other trains are running late. More rain is expected tomorrow also. The administration is keeping an eye over the situation. Okay, when this type of big situation happens, then there is an involvement of administration, there is an involvement of government into the situation. Because of many buses were cancelled, hundreds of passengers were trapped in the bus stations. Okay, suppose you have booked your tickets to go to Ahmedabad and the Saurashtra part is not allowing you to go in other cities. Okay, then you have to wait at bus station or you are not allowed to go anywhere out of Saurashtra. The educational institutes and offices saw very little number of people. Okay, so in this type of situation, people don't go to offices or institutes. Okay, the rain started yesterday noon. It fell heavily over some places. It may happen that when you are at home there is heavy rainfall, but when you go to another place, okay, there is no rainfall, there is not heavy rainfall. Rajkot received 7 inches, Morbi 6 and Amreli 5. Other parts of Saurashtra also had very good rainfall. So here it is written very good rainfall. Okay, so in another way, for farmers, for many people, it is good. Okay, it is a boon for them. Okay, where in Rajkot it affected very severely. Okay, when we are seeing very severely, then it is truly in negative term, because its effect was very dangerous. Most of the trains were running late, but late night Mumbai bound Saurashtra Express was cancelled as the tracks were down almost 3 feet. The tracks were blocked. Okay, you cannot run a bus or train on the track when it is rainfall, heavy rainfall. When the last report came in the train, services had resumed. Still, there were lots of passengers trapped at various places. It was heavy rain everywhere. The bus services were badly influenced. Okay, first of all, when the any natural calamities come, okay, or any spread of disease come, the first effect uh, is on buses, on services of train. Okay, many long distance buses and intercity buses had been halted. It added misery to the passengers. Okay, when you want to go for a real big reason, then you are not allowed to go. Okay, so that is a pathetic situation for you, me, and all. Because of heavy rain in the resource area of the Satrunji river, there was a heavy flood in it. Okay, when there is a rain, then it may happen that there is a flood. પૂર આવે છે. It resulted overflowing of the Satrunji Dam near Palitana in Bhavnagar and other dams of Machu, Padar and Hiran. As three boys tried to cross the flowing Hiran river with their bikes near Talala, were flown into the river. Okay, when you do any type of activity which is not good while you are in this type of situation, then you have to face the consequences. Okay, જ્યારે એટલો બધો વરસાદ હોય, heavy rainfall હોય, then you are not supposed to go outside even with bike. Okay, one witness said, "We had asked them not to cross the bridge, but they were carried away by the heavy current of the river." Okay, they were also stopped by many people, but they did not listen anyone, and they did what they wanted to do. The dead bodies later on were recovered a few miles away from the place. The marketing yard of Saurashtra remained closed. The commercial activities were none, almost. At many places, the rivers are flowing over the roads and bridges. Okay, when there is a bridge over a river, then what happens? That bridge also overflows. Okay, there is also water on the beach. Some roads are also broken and the transportation has been diverted. Amreli bus depot manager said, "We could not run buses to far and remote rural places. We expect to resume the services by tomorrow morning." So that is statement given by manager of Amreli bus depot. Rajkot city educational institutes almost remained closed. There were very few number of students. Many government and non-government offices also remained closed. People shut down themselves into their houses. People in some low-lying areas were migrated. Low-lying area means they are staying near river, or which cannot be the area which cannot be protected when flood comes. Okay, so they had to migrate. Many houses stood into deep water and people have been shifted to primary schools, the Morbi collector informed. We have given shelter to nearly 300 people in a primary school and a high school. They were given food packets and milk for children. The administration is taking all steps to prevent any casualty. Okay, it was much needed rain a farmer in Devbhumi Dwarka said. Okay, so what is the perspective of farmer? That is something different. They said it was much needed rain for us. They said this rain will help us. It has given life to our crop. Even drinking water problem in some extent is solved. Okay, if there is any area of farm where there is no water, okay, there is crisis of water, then this rain helped to them. For next 2 days rain is expected. The administration informed our reporter that it will be a good thing for resolving water crisis. That is also a good reason, okay, that we will not have water crisis due to heavy rainfall. So this is a report, okay, and recently we have suffered, or we have seen, or we have read about this situation in reality just few days ago. Okay, so you may write a report on that in your own language, in your own words. So that I will give you after you complete this lecture. After you complete listening this lecture, then I will give you to write about any report on natural calamity. Okay,